So if you've been creating videos with Grok, image to video with Grok, or text to video with Grok, right now Grok is no longer free unless you subscribe $30 every single month. Here are alternative AI models that you can use to generate free videos, free image to video, free text to video for your content creation. So let's go right in right now. So the very first one right here is called Meta AI. So to get Meta AI, you have to go to meta.ai on your Chrome. Then you'll be able to access this Meta AI. Now you can sign up with Instagram and Facebook or email. And what I recommend is you sign up with email because that's what I signed up with. So now on Meta AI, you can generate images, you can generate photos, you can generate images and videos as well. Now it just works the same way Grok works, but truth be told, Grok works super well, super better than this, but this is what you can actually manage with or work with for the meantime. Now all you need to do is to copy your prompt or describe your image, or by you click on the image, describe your image, and then it will generate the image. Or now in my own case, now I already have the image but I want to get the video, so now I have to select the image and then generate the prompt. Now one thing I noticed about this Meta AI is while generating images, it's quite slow. Most times it lags, and then while generating video as well, it's also quite slow, and most times it doesn't really respond at all. So one may need to refresh over and over before it works. So now you can see how long it's taking me to actually generate this particular image that I want to generate right here. So now let's go on to generate video. Sometimes it's faster, so let's just try generating video. So to generate video, first of all, I'm going to go copy a prompt and then upload random picture right here. So now you see Wix also have limited time for them to go off. So now let's continue with the video. Now I'm going to upload an image right here. So let's just choose this particular image of web right here. Now I'm going to paste a random prompt. Now even though this prompt doesn't really have much, or I can just click on generate just that way. Now you can see how it looks like. Unlike Grok does a kind of a countdown that heighten your expectation in the next maybe 10 minutes or in the next 1 minute or something. But this one here can keep showing this for a long time, or it will just show you this and then it will just pop up with the result. Now the volume result, like the sound of the result, doesn't really make sense. Most times there's no sound at all. Okay, see, we have our result right here. So remember, I didn't really add any prompt to that video, so I just posted it and then it brought out this result. Now here one can edit it by adding sound or extend it, but all this adding sound or extending doesn't really matter. Of course, that we can do with CapCut. We just need a quality video generation. Now for those persons that still want to go on to use Grok, if you have 1 or 2 persons with you that are actually into this creation, physical content creation, you can pair with them. However, if you're pairing, note that even with the monetized Grok, it still has a limit. I think a limit of 200 videos, if I'm not mistaken. So if you paired with more than, let's say, 5 persons, you are going to run out in a daily. It has a daily limitation. So you can pair with maybe a group of 3. Yeah, that's okay, depending on the kind of content that every other person create. So that's how you do it. Else I don't think there's any other alternative. The other alternative is maybe you can add your card, and then they are not going to charge you for the first 7 days, but this is not going to last for long. So for the first 7 days you can be using it for free, and then maybe on the 7th day or on the 6th day you can remove your card and then continue like that with other emails. But after some time you are going to wear out on this option. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have alternative that you're actually working with. Although I say a couple of alternatives, however, the ones that I've tried, they actually did some good, but after some time I noticed that they are also being paid for. So for now, this is what we're working with.